Okay, let's talk about the learning objective insurance as a term. Insurance is a risk transfer mechanism or device used to shift risk from individuals, families, businesses over to a risk pool or insurance facility. And each participant in the risk pool pays a small known loss called a premium, which is paid to finance the losses of those who suffer in a given year financial claims, losses. And these losses are generally larger in a relative relationship to the premium paid in, but only a small percentage of the participants in the risk pool actually suffer the loss in any given year. So one of the features or characteristics of insurance is that the losses you insure generally tend to be larger losses that individuals and families and businesses would not likely want to have to suffer during any one short period of time. And so the small percentage of people who actually suffer these losses are actually paid from the resource collected by the insurance facility or company in the form of premiums paid. And so when premiums are paid in, losses can be paid out of those collected premiums. And we have a reasonable prediction within each risk pool as to how many claims and what size of claims we will suffer in any one year. And this is how premiums are determined based on the risk that is borne by the risk pool and the amount of prospective losses expected to be paid each year would determine the amount of premium that each person or business would pay into the risk pool. Now, why do we need insurance? Well, again, without insurance, individuals and businesses would suffer losses that were not financially within their means to recoup or to pay the loss. And so these losses being larger, you can spread these out over any number of people who are buying the insurance, and then the cost of any financing for losses each year is a relatively small amount to any one insured, but the amount being paid in the claim prospectively being much larger, that would be a hardship or in some cases a catastrophe for people to suffer, let's say, the loss of their house, the loss of their life, or the loss of their business. And in this respect, we can pay for these prospective losses that we know are going to happen, but we don't know when they're going to happen and to whom they might happen to. The benefit of this arrangement is that everybody can plan for the catastrophic losses that do occur, either as an act of God or at the hand of a person commits a negligent act and maybe causes someone's house to burn down or what have you. So this is the purpose of insurance and the benefit that is accrued from participating in an insurance policy. So this is learning objective number 1, insurance, and we'll move on now to the next topic.